Welcome back, YouTube. Lego construction guy. I am going to complete this Lego Technic Bugatti build. I'm not far away. I am on stage 273. Let's get this done. What I'm thinking of doing is time-lapsing this now, putting them together and posting it for the finale. Let's see how that goes. So guys, this is a time-lapse portion of the finale of the Lego Technic Bugatti build. As you can see, there's a lot of tiny little stickers going on. We've got the wheels on. So everybody, Lego Technic Bugatti complete. Wheels move, engine pistons move, little engine cover opens up and down, the doors, the wing doors open, if you can see that. That is pretty cool. Got the rear diffuser moves. I don't know why that needs to move. Guess it just moves. But hey, ladies and gentlemen, what colour is your Bugatti? This one is yellow. That's pretty cool. Now, let's see if I can get this finale video up for you all. Hold this space.